Right, I'm doing the wheels now, and I'm gonna turn that into this magic eraser and the sieve. It does the trick. Oh, come on. It will help if you have a full bottle. You can already see the difference. Right, I'm gonna keep going. And that's how it looks after. That's the original wheel. Well, that's the front wheel. That's the spare wheel. It's a different type. So this way it's slightly yellowish in color. It's a different brand. But that sieve and the magic eraser just did the trick. Right, one more to go.